सरकार जीएसटीन ट्रान्सपोर्टाक ई-वे बिल पद्धत हाडपाक सोदता। सध्या हो विशय जीएसटी कावन्सिला मुखार आसा। मात ह्या प्रस्तावा आड गोयचो मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान आवाज काडूंक सुरवात केल्या। जीएसटीन नेटवर्कातलो जॅम आनी अडचणींक लागून ट्रेडर्स खंय रिटर्नांक फाटीं फुडें जातात। बुधवारा कमर्शियल टॅक्स खात्यान सांजे पणजे ट्रेडर्स, डीलर्स आनी सब डीलर्सांक मिनेझीस ब्रागांझा हॉलांत दरबार घेतलो। थंय पर्रीकार ही गजाल उलयलो।
Though this has not been implemented, the e-way bill system, it's still not been implemented, but just as a suggestion.
It is an issue in GST Council meeting. I am going to strongly oppose it.
Yeah. So just a pointer.
I don't know what is the outcome, but e-way is actually nullifying single tax regime. It should not happen. This e-Sugam and all this lafda is because these states don't want to lose control over traders. Goa is the only state which has really opened up. First thing I did was remove that check post. We have really opened up based on one country, one tax. There are other states which don't do that, but over a period I think it will slowly go.
Beyond
e-bill is going to be another equal to GST. So I am going to oppose it.
कर्नाटक, आसामा सारखेल्या राज्यांनी ट्रान्सपोर्टाक कशे त्रास जाता तोय विशय ट्रेडरांनी काढलो।
When we are transporting equipment from Goa to Karnataka, basically I can explain. Last July पासून check post बंद झाले. All check post in Mole and somewhere. But squad in Karnataka, they are asking for the e-Sugam bill because we are transporting our equipments in Karnataka. We are facing lot of problem.
What you are trying to tell me is the concept of GSTN or SGT is not understood by Karnataka properly.
Even Maharashtra also. Maharashtra, we are facing Maharashtra also. Not because they are asking over, like when we are like machinery we are shifting, they are charging 22,000 rupees for a trailer. Assam in giving cell tax department give the e-bill. Now they are stopped because check post have been stopped. We cannot transport also now. Last 27 days the machine is lying at the check post.
Which?
In Assam border.
You want me to speak to the Chief Minister there?
You can speak, there is no problem.
Give me the details, I will speak to him.
बनवेगिरी ट्रेडर्सांच्यो नाड्यो आवडूंक केल्लो जीएसटी सध्या प्रामाणीक धंदेकारांचे दुखणे जाला। हे स्वता मुख्यमंत्र्यानूय ट्रेडरांचो सूर पळोवन मान्य केले। सध्या कायद्याचे जात जाले तरी परिस्थिती जाग्यार पडसर फक्त सोसाद म्हणूनय तो सांगून मेकळो जालो।
Whenever anybody is dealing
with... It is actually tool of the government to nab
unregistered,
spurious unregistered dealer.
Whatever, however you would like to.
No, but what has happened is a honest person is suffering more than the spurious.
Exactly.
I can tell you one thing. GSTN is an excellent thing to happen. Initially 5-6 months all of us are going to have problems like we also had during wet time, maybe at a higher rate, but I can assure everyone that once these issues are resolved, you will be a happy person because the prices will come down and the headache for you will come down tremendously. The government will see that people who have faced problem because of not mistake of the individual will not be penalized. आता कितें GSTची ती website I cannot tweak with it. Not even central government can tweak with it. So you have to go ahead and pay the penal and all that. Once things start settling, we will come out with some mechanism by which we will ensure that unfair taxation or unfair punishment meted out will be somehow neutralized. I can't stop it today. But if you put up a claim afterwards, through a proper mechanism which we will declare sometime in the next budget, we will see that your losses or your damages are supported somewhat.
शुक्रारा दिल्ली जीएसटी कावन्सिलाची बसका जावपाची आसा। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार स्वता खंय त्या बसकेक वतलो। जीएसटी लागतनाच गोंयान एंट्री फी टोल बंद करून वर्साक 30 कोटीचे येणावळीचेर उदक सोडले। मात कर्नाटका सारखेल्या कांय राज्यांनी ट्रान्सपोर्टाचेर आपलो नियामक कंट्रोल सोडिल्लो ना। आता गोयच्या बीजेपीच्या मुख्यमंत्र्यानूच मोदी सरकाराच्या ई-वे बिलाक चॅलेंज दिल्या। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकर आनी व्हीजे सुभाष खुटवळकर।